please continue.
Hello.
Yeah, please continue.
So I hope Preeti is there, ma'am, or shall I continue with my?
Wait, I think she's joining. Then
No, she is. She.
suddenly it shut down.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Shall we continue?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, Preeti. We all are waiting for you only.
Sorry, unfortunately,
No
I
worries.
was.
No worries at all.
Okay.
So you were just explaining your experience into the conference room.
Yeah, the first day itself, I was not comfortable with with the distributor, the way he was looking at me.
The first day
So
itself.
the first day when he was looking at me, I felt little uncomfortable. So the
Okay.
second day, he took me to the conference hall, and also three people were joining him. So it made me really uncomfortable there. So I was not in a
Mm-hmm.
state to explain the presentation. So they were just interacting with me with the general questions like where do you come from and how many years do you have experience. Such questions were going on.
Okay. So, Preeti, what exactly do you think would be the age of this Mr. Kumar?
He must be between 30 to 30, 35. I don't know.
Okay.
I couldn't like guess what
Okay.
age.
Okay.
He's
No
having.
worries at all. It's a tentative only. And once you get into the conference room, did he introduce you with the other three members? Who were they? What was their position into the office, or they are outsiders?
They just they didn't he didn't brief about their designation and all. He just introduced them with their names. That's it.
So you remember their name?
No, not actually, because I was a bit nervous there, because I was
Okay.
not feeling comfortable at that place, being
Hello.
alone there, because no
Okay.
women joined me there. I was the only women, so
Okay.
I was not that comfortable there.
Okay. So would you be able to recognize them if you see them again, if you see their pics?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So once you enter the conference room, so for how long that meeting happens on 11th of August?
The meeting didn't happen at all.
Okay.
We were inside the conference hall, and again,
Hmm.
Mr. Kumar, he called the peon and he asked
Hmm.
us to serve drink. I mean, the cool drink.
Hmm.
My intuition asked me not to have a sip, but what I thought is, what if sometimes if we avoid, if we avoid their offer, they
Hmm.
may feel bad or they may feel insulted. So I had a sip and I didn't feel comfortable with the drink. It was tasting differently.
Okay. So you tasted it, or you just smell it and then recognize
I
it?
just had a sip. I just had a sip and it was completely tasting differently. So I
Mhm.
didn't want to have it more. I just kept.
Okay. And that peon was the same person who came to the meeting room on 10th of August with the tea and water?
Yeah, the same person.
All right. So once you entered the conference room, they started conversating you in a personal manner. So
Yeah.
how did they dress up? They were casually dressed up, the people, Mr. Kumar and his three people, or
Uh,
they were professionally dressed up?
Distributor, yeah, Mr. Kumar was dressed up formally, but the other people were wearing casuals. So I thought that
Okay.
okay, in their company they would have, their dress code is casual with formals. I thought like that, and I left. I didn't question all those things.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, that time I was not feeling comfortable. So I thought that to make me comfortable, they are asking very normal questions and all. I thought like that,
Okay.
but it was.
So actually, how was the behavior of Mr. Kumar went? along once after asking you some personal question. How did you reply him on asking about your personal life, your personal details?
Initially he asked about the name and the experience that I hold, and later he tried to slowly move on, like he was commenting uh,
Hmm.
he was commenting on me, like you're looking good. Such stuffs were slowly, was added into the conversation. So I wanted to avoid. So I to break that, I said, "Sir, shall we proceed with the PPT?" But he
Hmm.
said, "No, let's take our time. Let's feel comfortable. Then you can proceed with your PPT." This was his statement.
Okay. So once using some personal words like asking your personal details,
Yeah.
does he also use some abusive language, or he simply started trying to touch you?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
He was like trying to use some abusive language. I was like trying to figure out, so I didn't want that to happen, so I tried to start the PPT. That time,
Mhm.
he tried to touch my fingers, so I
Okay.
felt that touch was not good, so I tried to push
Mhm.
him. I tried to
Mhm.
take my hands,
Mhm.
and I moved myself. Then behind
Okay.
me, those two men were standing, and
Okay.
one man joined the distributor, and they were trying to like grab me,
Okay.
hold me.
Mhm.
uh, yeah, I feel nervous even now.
Oh, I understand. So, Preeti, at that moment, did you call somebody for your help, or you just run away from that situation?
I tried to
Did you
push
ask?
them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean I tried to push them, but they were like tying my hands behind, so I started
Okay.
shouting.
Okay.
And at the end, I couldn't handle those men, so I kicked. I
Mm-hmm.
kicked them, and somehow I managed, and I came out.
Okay. So once when you came out, nobody was there into the office, that receptionist, that peon into the nearby area?
Yeah, nobody were there, because I went to the office by 11 o'clock, and I was waiting there for about half an hour. So
Okay.
after that, we went to the conference hall, and we had discussions, and the general conversation, and the peon served. Meanwhile, it became 12 something, more than 12, I guess. I didn't notice the time, but when I left the conference hall, it was 1:15. But by the time everybody left for lunch.
Okay. Um, Preeti,
Yeah.
you told me that on first day when you
Yeah.
visited the distributor office,
Yeah.
you suspect some kind of casual nature. You were suspecting with his way of looking at you.
Yeah.
So, have you discussed this thing with your supervisor on telephone or the next day when you visited office into the morning, that you require
No,
somebody's help to support you during the visit?
I was
Because you
not
were
given
already
a chance
suspicious on
to.
first day, no?
Sorry?
You suspected something on
Yeah.
first day you visit. So have you asked your supervisor to?
Yeah. The first day, I felt bad by the way he looked at me, but I thought that okay, he was just looking at me, so that could be a casual look as also. So I thought that okay, to manage
Hello?
myself and all. Yeah. Can you hear me? Hello, Sonia. Sonia, are you there?
Hello?
Hello. Hello.
Okay. So my question to Preeti was, Preeti, the first day when you visited this distributor office, you
Yeah.
told me that you were suspicious the way he was looking at you.
Yeah.
So once after that, did you discuss this thing with your supervisor? And did you ask him or her for to send somebody along with you into the next day meeting?
See, Sonia, first of all, I didn't get enough time to discuss about that matter to my supervisor, because the previous day I went to the office, I visited the distributor, and I came back to the home, came back to my home. And I just called and reported my supervisor about the day. Okay. So how can I mean, for the very first time say about all these stuffs? The distributor just looked at me and I was feeling uncomfortable about the look. So how can I blame the distributor without any solid reason? So I was keeping quiet. So I thought that I can handle on my own. So I went the next day.
It is good going session. Good questions by Sonia. I hope all are listening. Deepika, you're getting voice. So
Yes, ma'am, absolutely. Very, very nice way how Sonia is going ahead with her questionnaire. And Preeti is responding very nicely.
Hello.
Thank you, Deepika.
Sonia, this is a very compassionate way, I think, how you are asking the questions. Very
Okay.
empathetic manner, extremely appreciable.
Thank you. Thank you. So my questions are here ended. I am sorry, Preeti, if I have asked you so many of questions.
This is
No,
part of
I
the
really
learning
enjoyed
process, I guess.
answering all the questions. In fact, I was like visualizing the scene. I was into the scene and I was answering you.
Yes, that is the best way.
and we
Yeah.
wish that you don't get into that scene actually.
Never.
We would just
Ma'am,
wish.
if I get into the scene, I'll give him a nice kick and then I'll come out of the office. So I'm not that scared. I'm a bold man.
Good.
I'm sure. Fantastic. Great going, Preeti.
So, Sonia, is there
Yeah, ma'am.
any other question?
No, ma'am, I'm just through with my questions. I have asked enough of questions.
Now,
Ma'am,
yeah.
actually, I had a bad experience when I was studying 9th standard. A similar kind of experience. Shall I share it now?
If you're comfortable, but this session is in the recording, so I don't prefer it. Let's share it on the WhatsApp,
Okay, ma'am.
right? Because
Okay.
you know, sometime I share these videos with you, and maybe somehow, I mean, I'm not going to put it into the YouTube if you are recording this portion,
Okay,
right?
ma'am.
And
Okay.
I have to delete this video. I mean, at the very first stage, we discussed about beauty and all these things. So this video may not be on the YouTube, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So only thing
Yes,
is
ma'am.
that I'm not going to keep it in record, because you know sometimes I forget about it. What was mentioned
Okay.
in that. If you feel
Okay, ma'am.
comfortable, you can do one thing. You switch off your camera and then
Okay.
discuss. Right?
Okay, ma'am. Shall I?
Yeah, please.
I'm feeling comfortable actually.
Okay then. It's
So,
okay.
yeah, when
What others
I was
say, Deepika? Deepika, Surbi, Divya? What is your opinion about that?
Absolutely fine, ma'am. Absolutely. I
fine.
always
Yeah.
appreciate whenever we share such incidents, we become stronger.
Good. Let's continue then.
So
Go
I
ahead,
was in
Preeti.
Chennai, ma'am. Okay. I was in Chennai and I went to a theme park, an amusement park. There we used to have the water games and all. So we are supposed to take the balloons and go to the top floor for sliding down the water. So I went to the top floor. My cousin was with me. So we both went there, and an old man was there in the top floor, and he was guiding the people to slide through the game. So my cousin, she left me and she went down for the game, and I was standing there. At that time, nobody was there in the place. Suddenly, the old man, he started talking with me, and I didn't know in what way he's approaching. I thought that he's asking me general questions, so I started answering my name and all. So suddenly he came and grabbed my waist
Oh.
at that time. So I was feeling so uncomfortable. Previously, I didn't experience such a touch with my parents or with my cousins or anybody. That touch was so different for me when he grabbed my waist. So I felt uncomfortable, and I tried to push myself from the back, and I got relieved from his hands. Then suddenly, what he did was he opened his pants and he took his male part out. I got
Oh.
so shocked, and I don't know what that part was also. So what I did is I pushed him hard, and he tried to somehow catch me, but I pushed him and I ran from the top floor to the down floor. I got so scared. So what I wanted to say is, my mother, always she used to she used to be so open with me. She used to share a lot of stuffs with me. So those incidents helped me to avoid that person, and I didn't turn as a victim. My mother really helped me to escape from that moment because of the experience she shared with me. So we when we see some young people, we are supposed to share such we should teach them about the good touch and the bad touch. That's all, ma'am.
Wonderful. Preeti, but
Yes.
have you complained about that man if the man was there as an instructor?
No, ma'am. I didn't complain to anybody. I just told to my cousin about the incident, and she was also feeling very awful about the incident. And the poor thing is, I couldn't go and tell this incident to anybody. And later, after coming back to Coimbatore, I reported the incident to my mother, and she patted me on my shoulder and she made me comfortable and she appreciated me for my action.
Great. Bold girl. One has to be. I
Very
mean,
good,
if
Preeti.
this kind of scene. Yeah, Deepika, you're saying something?
No, no, I was just saying very good, Preeti.
Thank you,
Very brave
Deepika.
you are.
Thank you.
Because
Yes, a good sense of
as
humor, good sense of humor too. I mean, she understood the actual what's going to be.
Yes, ma'am.
right. Because
Yes.
right now, see, I'm 47 running, and since in my school days, we were never taught about the good touch or the bad touch. So
Yes.
unfortunately, I myself, along with many other people of my age, when I converse with them, I realize that how come so many of us have been part of some or the other sexual or physical abuse? And at that time, we were not even made comfortable, not even made aware that, okay, what exactly is happening? Why is it happening? And we used to be too scared to speak about this to anybody, even in the family or even with your friends or cousins. So at this
Yeah.
age now, or ever since I came across got in with students, I always try my best to make them extremely comfortable, especially in front of boys as well, to speak about such incidents so that more and more comfort level increases and more awareness happens that how actually it is felt. And we are fortunate that our children, like my daughters, my elder daughter is 22, my younger daughter is 16. So I feel blessed that they are in the era where a lot of awareness is already there about the touch which does not make you feel comfortable.
Yeah.
So in my age, it wasn't there. So I have experienced it, unfortunately, yes. But I always have prayed and taught this across to my daughters and all my students that how we have to fight against it. Our body is our property.
Yes, ma'am.
There's no one
I
else who has a right over it.
Yeah.
okay. Deepika, yesterday even I saw your DP with two beautiful girls. So I was
My
about to
daughters.
ask, I was about to ask, you don't look like the mother of two beautiful girls.
Yeah,
I mean,
actually, this is what I'm also
No,
about
no.
to say, that Deepika, you
My
must be looking like your elder sister rather than
oh,
Yeah.
mother.
thank you so much. My elder one is 22. This is her last year of law. She'll be completing her law the next year.
Wow.
Wow.
And younger one is in 10th grade.
wow,
Nice.
great. So you
But seriously, you have such a glow on your face that you don't seems to be like a mother of young, such beautiful young daughters.
Thank you so much. This is just the magic of being in good people like you all. So whenever we are in the company of good and positive people, it it is a boomerang. It always bounces
Yeah.
back and reflects.
Yes, actually.
Annie, you there?
Anyway,
Annie, you there?
Yes,
I-
ma'am, I'm listening to you. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
I think another Shweta, she has left. So you both are Shweta. Sometimes, from the message, I'm confused which Shweta went. So I just saw the screen. So I thought of let me inquire. Uh, it's a
Okay.
really good turning about the complainant investigation and all. And our IC member, the team is really doing wonders. I never expected, beyond my
very
expectation.
Sonia, very good job, huh?
She really did a
Thank
good
you.
job. And I appreciate the patience of complainant as a complainant to see.
Absolutely, ma'am.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Is answering all the
Absolutely.
Calmly, she
Thank
questions.
is
you, ma'am.
answering,
Thank you.
and it doesn't look like sometimes, that she's a complainant. Anyway, good going. So let me turn to Surbi and Divya now. How they take up.
Okay, ma'am. You
Okay,
want to be
ma'am.
complainant then?
No, I mean, so who wants to become complainant, Divya or Surbi? At-
I'm okay with taking any of this role. I mean,
Okay,
I
okay.
can
I'm
I can be
perfect.
a complainant, no worries.
So
Okay.
let Surbi be the complainant first. Then
Okay.
Divya start questioning.
Okay.
Divya, let's come into the mode of case study only. So I'm Deena Kumari.
Okay. Then I am the IC member of the company.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So
yeah.
hi Bina, we got your complaint, and first of all, I would like to tell you that you had made a correct decision of approaching the IC committee for the incident that happened to you, and we must assure you that your all the information and all the details of the incident will be kept highly confidential, and you can be comfortable and assure that all the informations are with us only. We'll try to give the best solution, and we can help you out in each and every phase of this entire case. So first of all,
Okay,
Bina, I
ma'am.
would like hi first of all, Bina, I would like to know what actually happened.
Okay. Ma'am, first thing I would like to tell you that, I'm still in a state of shock, and
That,
it's just because of the recommendation of management that, I could approach to the IC committee, right? So, and to be really honest, I didn't know, about the IC committee because, I joined this organization. It's a wonderful place to work with, but I didn't know even any IC committees existing in this organization. I was not aware of that, first thing.
okay.
And secondly, whatever happened, I could never imagine, like I'm working with such a nice organization, but this could happen. So, I'm still in a state of shock.
I can understand. I can understand, Bina. Be comfortable, be very specific, and if you need any help, support in any manner, we are always available. The company is
Yeah.
nice. That is the reason we have a IC committee, and the committee members and the entire management is with you to help you out with each and every phase. You are secure, you are comfortable, and you are our responsibility. So you can continue with the details. I'll be asking some questions. If you feel like answering them, it's good. If you don't want to answer them, you can take your time and you can let me know that you are not comfortable. You can give me the details afterwards, whatever you feel like. But I want you to be comfortable. I can understand that you are in a position of shock. I can also, I can, I can study your mental condition and your emotional conditions also. So, Beena, you are a management trainee. For how long it's been that you are working with the same supervisor?
Ma'am, I have joined directly under Mr. Rajesh Sharma only.
Okay.
So I completed my masters in August 2017, and
Mm-hmm.
I joined this organization in September 2017. And to be
Okay.
precise, I remember the date. That's 10th of September. It's being
Okay.
my first job, so I still remember that day.
Okay.
So yeah.
Yeah. Beena, so how did you get the details of the distributor? Did your supervisor gave you, or how did you get in touch with this particular distributor?
Okay. So, ma'am, you should, as a management trainee, so I already been, with Mr. Sharma on various, distributors visit. I've been there several times, and as a, standard operating procedure as a management trainee, whenever, there is any call, we supposed to go with our supervisor only.
Mm-hmm.
So, Mr. Sharma is out of town for some
Okay.
official work. So
Mm-hmm.
on 9th April, I got a call,
Okay.
right, from Mr. Sharma that there is a distributor and
Mm-hmm.
I need to go and visit them on 10th of April.
Okay.
So as discussed, I went there, showed him the presentation, and then he said that, you again need to come on 11th of April because they may give us a big, something
Uh,
big
Order.
order. Yeah.
Okay.
So I was like quite excited about that. And while coming back again, as a procedure, we are supposed to tell this, to our reporting manager. So I called, Mr. Sharma. I briefed him that, again, tomorrow I need to visit the distributor's place and I need to give him the presentation. As he is out of town, he said that I can go ahead and I can give the presentation. So again, and so next day I went again and I have done more detailed study about the product because I really don't want this opportunity to slip from our hand. I see it as a big opportunity for myself and
Mhm.
for the organization as well.
Okay. Is
So
this
I,
the sorry, Beena, I just want to ask one thing. Is this the old distributor or this is a new empanelment of a distributor?
ma'am, this is the new empanelment.
Okay. And why did you take someone along with you, as this is a new distributor and Mr. Sharma had asked you to meet him? Why did you take someone else with you? Because this was the first meeting and this was a new distributor. Why did you go
Right.
alone?
Yeah. So, ma'am, I have actually asked sir that, whether I supposed to go all alone or can I take someone else along with me. So he
Mhm.
was like that because just this is just the initiation, so I can go alone because he has actually seen my performance while I've been visited with him to meet the other distributors as well.
Okay. Okay.
So he also, want to give me this opportunity.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how did you manage to go to the distributor? Did you went directly to the distributor place from your home, or did you visited the office first and then went to the distributor?
No, no, ma'am, because this meeting was around like 12 o'clock. So first I headed to the office. From there, I collected all the necessary documents and presentations and everything. And then from office, I went for the meeting.
How did you went to the meeting? Through a cab, through your personal vehicle, or somebody dropped?
Uh, no, I took a cab.
Okay, that was given by the
I
company, or
booked
you
the
booked
cab.
it? Okay, you booked a cab.
Yeah, because in company we have a procedure that I can book a cab and later on I can
Get it
submit the
reimbursed.
bill.
Sure, sure,
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
Okay. So how far it was? It was how far from your office, and by what time you reached there?
Ma'am, my office is in Nehru Place, and that particular office is in Okla. So the distance is not much, just
Mm-hmm.
because there is a lot of traffic there. So it took me around half an hour. So
Okay.
I started around 11:15 because meeting was at 12, and I reached there around 11:45.
Oh, great, great.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
then you waited for some time for the distributor to reach the meeting, or he was already present there, and who leaded you to the distributor, who actually introduced to the distributor? You called him
Okay.
or he called you?
Okay, so ma'am, when I reached there, I there is a receptionist sitting there at reception. So I like told her that I'm here to meet Mr. Kumar. So
Mm-hmm.
she asked me to wait, and after that, she has guided me towards the conference room on the very first day. And
Okay.
Mr. Kumar was there. When I reached there, he was there.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So, so how you actually proceeded with your meeting? He first you introduced yourself and he introduced you. Then, what all were? matlab, how was he? How was his behavior towards you? Because you visited him for the first time.
So, ma'am, on the first day, to be honest, I didn't find any awkwardness in his behavior. Because when I visited first day, we, exchanged the greetings, and it was like in a very, very formal way.
Okay.
Gave the presentation, and he seemed happy. And then he was like that, he wants some more details, and probably tomorrow, they're going to put an order for
Okay.
some certain product. So he called
Okay.
me next day.
Okay.
So
So who
that's
all were
how,
present? Who all were
ma'am,
present in the meeting?
ma'am, on first day he was there, and there was another person there. So he introduced that person as his business partner.
Okay. So the first day there were two people.
Yeah, Mr. Kumar was there, and along with him, his business partner.
Okay.
Yeah.
So your meeting goes well.
Yeah, meeting goes perfectly well. Yeah.
Okay. So you told us, how did you, did you report it to your this, supervisor about it?
Yeah,
Your
yeah,
meeting process?
yeah, definitely. I mean, as a procedure, we have to do that. So I reported
Mhm.
him. I told him that, today I met Mr. Kumar, meeting went well. So I definitely, I verbalized him everything over a phone call.
Okay. Okay. So did he
And
ask you to bring something extra apart from the first day for the second day's meeting?
yeah,
Some more
he has asked for some more brochures and all regarding the product.
Okay.
Yeah, because first day it was a PPT presentation. Next day they
Uh-huh.
want some brochures and all.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So by what time the next day meeting was scheduled?
Ma'am, next day again, he asked me to come around the same time,
Mm-hmm.
around 12.
And you went from the office itself again with the same, again you booked a cab and you went there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what happened in the second day?
Okay, so second day when I went there, so meeting didn't start at 12. So the receptionist asked me to wait. And then, again around, 12:15, I asked receptionist that, how things, can I meet Mr. Kumar? So she
Mm-hmm.
said that he will take another 15 minutes. And I was like, okay with it, because, for business meeting, at times we have to wait for
Wait,
the
yes.
client, to come.
Mm-hmm.
So I waited for another 15 minutes, and finally she guided me to go to that particular conference room. I
Okay.
went there, and Mr. Kumar was already present there along with other three people. And today, his business partner was not there. So these three people were,
The
totally
new
new.
people. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Did he introduce you to them?
No, he didn't
Was
introduce me them by name, but he just said that these are also the other, people like us who are there, to take the order.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So they were matlab those people were not from his own office. They
No,
were
no,
some.
no, no.
Okay. Okay.
There were some
So
outsiders. Yeah.
okay. Okay. So what all happened? Matlab like you give the presentation or there were formal meetings? What sort of questions they asked?
Okay, so to start with, ma'am, first thing first, I feel, I mean, I have attended meetings previously as well. So when meeting started, I felt, something is not wrong because, the three other people are also sitting there and they were like our competitors. But
Okay.
then, at that point of time, when he asked me to explain about product again, so I
Mhm.
asked him, sir, that can I give presentation again? So he said that no, now presentation is not required. You can just explain me through brochure.
Okay.
And when I start explaining him through brochure and all, so I was explaining him, and then he leaned, towards me on the table itself.
Oh. Okay.
And then he tried to touch my fingers, and then there was another person who was sitting. He had just shifted the chair and he tried to grab me. So I felt that what exactly is happening, and in between there was a peon. He came inside, he offered me a cold drink. I just had a sip of that cold drink and I felt as if my cold drink has been spiked. Something is wrong with the taste of that cold drink.
Okay.
So
Did
I just,
sorry, yeah, Veena, I have a question. Did the
yeah.
distributor call someone to give you the cold drink, or the peon himself had bring the cold drinks?
Ma'am, he called, the peon because he ordered a cold drink for me, and for rest of them he ordered tea. So I didn't know why that happened. But for me only, he has ordered cold drink, and for other three people, including him, like four people, he has ordered tea.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So
yeah.
what were your reaction when he touched your fingers or the other person tried to grab you? Did you what actually you did? Did you try
Yeah,
to run out from the office?
I actually felt uncomfortable, right? And I actually, I just immediately stand up from there, but to my shock, there was another person, who actually tried to shut the door, and but somehow I've been able to escape. I've been able to manage from there. I'm able to escape from that particular place.
What was your first reaction? What was your first action after you just ran away from the office? Did you call your
After
supervisor? Did you call the HR?
No, the first thing I did was I actually, called my brother.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I called my brother. I briefed him about everything, and at the same moment, he has asked me to come back to home because I was not, in a condition to go back myself. So he just asked me to wait in a nearby cafe coffee day, and
Mm-hmm.
he came all the way, to pick me up from that place.
Okay.
And the same day when I, went back, I was in a shock. I discussed this, with my brother, with my parents. Even they were in the shock. And, they asked me to put my resignation immediately because they thought that I'm working with a company who is not taking any care of their employees.
No, no, Bina, I would assure you that the company and the management is with you. We were not aware that a client would turn into these type of actions because we have certain protocols to get someone enrolled as a distributor. So the background was checked, but somehow this happened. We'll make sure that we'll be completely investigating your incident and we'll give you a satisfactory report on this because people like you are an asset to a company. We
Yeah.
can't lose a asset just because of a distributor. So you and your family should be rest assured that we are with you and your family to help you out with everything. So Beena,
Thank you.
what was your parents asked you to resign, you talk matlab, what's your personal opinion, because your personal opinion about the incident and about your parents what they had decided for you is that matters actually. So you really, I don't know how to take it, but